Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets for Cement Business. So I'm running a cement business and to promote my business, I'm running lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, the details of that lead should be added to the Google Sheets too. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation software. In Pabbly Connect, we have the concept of trigger in action. So for trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use Google Sheets. If you want to learn this, follow me through the screen. So in this video, we are going to understand that how can we add our Facebook leads to Google Sheets for a cement business. So I'm running a cement business named Better Built Cement, and to promote my business, I'm running certain lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation software. So as you know that this is the landing page of Pabbly, and over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. But I am an existing user, so I am going to click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, it is opening my all Pabbly apps dashboard. So over here you can see there are all the apps and tools offered by Pabbly. But in today's automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because it says connect applications and we want to connect Facebook with Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on access now. After clicking on access now, it is opening my dashboard. To start with this automation, we are going to click on create workflow. Now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder, which is Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets Automation. You can select your desired folder too. After that, I am going to name the workflow. I'll name the workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets for Cement Business. After that, I'm going to click on create. As you can see that it has opened my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger in action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that trigger is the commander for the whole workflow and actions follow the command. Also, because we can only have a single commander, that's why we can only have a single trigger, but we can have multiple actions in a particular workflow. To start with the automation, we are going to select our trigger application, that is Facebook Lead Ads. And then the trigger event as new lead instant. I am selecting the trigger event as new lead instant because I want that as soon as the lead is submitted, instantly it should be added to my Google Sheets also. If you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can select new lead. So I'm going to select new lead instant. After that, I'm going to click on connect. As soon as I click on connect, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection. If you already have a connection of your Facebook Lead Ads account, you can select existing connection. After that, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook Lead Ads. I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that our authorization is successful. We have successfully connected our Facebook Lead Ads account to our Pabbly's account. After that, it is asking me the page and lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Better Built. So I'm going to select Better Built. And for the lead gen form, I'm going to select Better Built Cement because I want that only the leads of this particular form should be added to my Google Sheets. If you want to add the leads of all your forms, you can select all leads in forms or any another form you want to select the automation for. So I'm going to select Better Built Cement only, and then I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a lead. So we are going to generate a dummy lead. And to generate a dummy lead, we are going to open Meta for Developers. After opening Meta for Developers, we are going to go on More and then Tools. After that, we are going to select Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. And you can see that we have successfully opened lead ads testing tool. Over here, we'll select the page and the form. So as you know, the name of our page is Better Build Cement and the name of our form is Better Build Cement 2. After that, we are going to click on Preview Form. After clicking on Preview Form, it is asking me the details, so I'll enter the dummy details. After entering the dummy details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. You can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. So we'll go back to our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the lead or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the lead. Here's the dummy name, the dummy email and the dummy phone number that we entered. This means our trigger step is successful. Now we are going to move on the action step. For action application, we are going to select Google Sheets. And for the action event, we are going to select Add a New Row. After selecting this, I'm going to click on Connect. You can see that again it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So I'm going to click on Add a New Connection. But if you have already connected your Google Sheets account to Pabbly's account, you can click on Select Existing Connection. After that, we are going to click on Sign in with Google. And then we are going to select our account and click on Allow. We can give Pabbly the permissions because it is safe. After that, you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's account. So we'll select the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So as you know, the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of our sheet is Cement Industry. So we are going to select Facebook Leads and Cement Industry. After that, we'll map the name, the phone number and the email. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the data from the response of our trigger application only. So as you know, we'll map the full name, the phone number and the email. As soon as I map all the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And you can see that we have received a positive response that our details have been updated to our Google Sheets. So we'll go back to our Google Sheets and check that if the details have been updated or not. And yes, you can see the demo name, the demo phone number and the demo email that we entered. It is updated in the Google Sheets too. So this means that our workflow is successful. We'll just try the workflow once again. We'll go back to Lead Ads Testing tool. Delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. After refreshing, we'll again have to select the page and the form. So we'll select our page and the form and then we are going to click on Preview Form. Again, we are going to enter a dummy detail. After filling the details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. It again says your test lead has been sent. So now we'll directly go to the Google Sheets and check that if Google Sheet has captured the response or not. Yes, you can see that Google Sheet has captured the response as the dummy name, the dummy phone number and the dummy email. So this means our workflow is successful. We'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For trigger event, we selected new lead instant. After that, we connected our Facebook lead ads to our Pabbly's workflow. And then we selected the page and the lead gen form. We generated a response and then we moved to our action step. For action application, we selected Google Sheets. The action event is add a new row. And then we connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. And then we selected the spreadsheet, the sheet. We mapped the details like phone number, name and email. And then we clicked on Save and Send Test Request. And you can see that we have received all the responses over here. If you have any query related to this workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just share the workflow link in the description box so you can clone my workflow and start your automation. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.